Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will look at how to calculate the volume and weight of the mild steel rebar materials. The following topics will be discussed in the upcoming slides. The first topic is how to calculate the weight of the rebar steel. Next, the second topic is let's learn where d square is divided by 162 came from for rebar steel weight calculation. We will cover the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we learn and understand how to calculate the volume and weight of the mild steel materials. The weight of the mild steel materials is equal to the volume of the mild steel materials is multiplied by the density of the materials. Some of the materials, like mild steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, aluminum, and copper density details are listed below for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand how to calculate the weight of the rebar steel. The following formula is used to calculate the weight of the rebar steel. The weight of the rebar steel is equal to d square multiplied by length, and then obtained value divided by 162. Please refer to the rebar steel snaps and given data is. The length, diameter of the rebar steel is given below. D is the diameter of the rebar steel, 14 millimeters. Next, L is the length of the rebar is 12 meters. Next, apply the given data in the below formula. D square multiplied by length, and then obtained value divided by 162. Based on the above equation and the given data, the weight of the rebar steel is 14.5185 kg. Next, let's learn where d square is divided by 162 came from for rebar steel weight calculation. The d square is divided by 162 is derived from the formula for the weight of a cylindrical steel materials. Next, the weight of the rebar steel is equal to volume is multiplied by the density. Next, the volume per meter is equal to area of the steel into length. Next, the area of the steel is equal to pi into d square and then divided by 4. Next, volume per meter. So, length L is equal to 1 meter, or 1000 millimeters. Therefore, volume per meter is equal to pi into d square into 1000 and then divided by 4. Its unit is measured in mm cubes. Next, the density of steel is 7850 kilograms per meter cubes, or 7850 is divided by 1000 millimeters cubes. Its unit measures in kilogram per millimeter cube. Next, the weight of the rebar steel is equal to volume is multiplied by the density. Therefore, the weight of the rebar steel is pi into d square into 1000 into 7850 and then divided by 4 into 1000 cubes. Please refer to the below for your understanding. And then its further simplified constant becomes d square divided by 162. I hope everyone understands how to calculate the volume and weight of the mild steel rebar materials, and understand where d square is divided by 162 came from for rebar steel weight calculation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the MBS Engineering for more informational videos. Like and leave a comment.